Alright, hello guys, welcome back. Today is March 18, Wednesday, 7 p.m. I'm just here to do a quick recap of what happened today and what I'm expecting for the rest of the week. Starting off with NQ, we ended up getting that bearishness that we wanted. So again, I had talked about sweeping the high and then moving back down because we had um, essentially inverted this FEG and showed willingness to continue wanting to move higher as we closed above. And then yeah, we ended up getting that, and then from there we moved all the way back down into the range. Um, Unfortunately, um, I did not take a trade on that count today, just because I said like, hey, I'd follow my rules, no trading on FOMC day, and add PPI into the mix. I thought it would be not the best day to trade, and it kind of solidified the reason why I still do trade on days where I say I shouldn't trade, just because I don't want to miss out on a really good opportunity. And this is a great example of missing out on a really good opportunity just by um, saying I shouldn't trade a day. Oh, damn. Just by saying I shouldn't trade a day. Um, but, it's frustrating when this happens. So that's probably, or that's definitely why I always trade, even when I say that this is probably not the best trading day, just because I really don't like looking back and then seeing that I missed a really good trading day. It's bad for my mental, it's bad for my psychology. It might make me want to take it out on the markets tomorrow. So I don't know, but yeah, I'm not gonna complain. At least, at least we didn't take a loss. At least nothing happened. At least I called this. But the only thing is it wasn't with real money. And essentially what the trade was is so actually let me go back to the daily, and you can see that this is a very common trend inside of this consolidation. We come around to this high, move back lower, come back into this high, move back lower, come back into this high, move back lower. This is also a bearish order block. Oops, right here with overlapping bearish FEG right here. And you can see how well we respect it. Bodies, 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 bodies. So that was essentially the idea. And then within that, we have 1 hour internal sweep right here, or sorry, external sweep. And then inside of here, we have that internal sweep right here. And then my kill zones around this time. Um, so more confluence could have been bearish order block right here. Waited for waited for a retracement up to here, and then a short was stop at the high, and then targeting. But yeah, I did not take it. I'm not gonna lie, I just did not take it. Um, but there has been confirmation for my swing trade short. I wanted to get in earlier, but I got in a little later just because I was a little busy with other things. But yeah, I ended up getting in here with my stop up here, and then targeting this low. In terms of what I'm watching for tomorrow, I want to see continued bearishness. Maybe we have a retracement back up into premium using London. That could be this bearish FEG right here, and if we don't find support, or I'm sorry, resistance off of here, then maybe we'll continue up into a higher premium, which could be propulsion block actually. And then, if we don't get that, it'll be here. But I think bearish FEG and propulsion block is going to be the most likely scenario here. Um, but yeah, we'll see what it looks like when I get up tomorrow. Looking at the dollar, dollar ended up getting that bullishness that we expected, which aligned with bearish NQ, which is also inside of this discount. From there, we started moving higher, and then looking at ZB. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. And then I guess the continued plan on dollar is going to be higher prices, watching for at least this high and then these highs to come. And then yeah, for ZB, similar to NQ, we found that bearishness after getting into premium, and then from there started moving lower. So I definitely watch out for rejection block lows, and then these lows, and then these lows, and so on. But yeah, that's essentially the plan for tomorrow. I'll actively be looking to short, at least down until this low. Hopefully that'll give us some something good, 345 points. Yeah, hope you found this insightful. Please take care, be safe.